watching this entire video, this recipe will be loved by your guests. It's an eye video that shows a very best and unique way of cooking. As we move towards the video, Smoky maple bourbon glazed pork belly bites, sizzling pork belly bites glazed with sauce, Shafat, smiling and energetic, Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making something absolutely irresistible, Smoky maple bourbon glazed pork belly bites. These little bites are crispy, sticky, sweet, and smoky, with just a hint of bourbon for that extra kick. They're perfect for game day, parties, or just treating yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Ingredients. Cut to a well-lit table with all ingredients laid out. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of pork belly, cut into 1-inch cubes, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 2 tablespoons bourbon, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, optional, for a little heat, chopped green onions or sesame seeds for garnish. Step 2. Seasoning the pork belly. Seasoning the pork belly cubes. First, let's season our pork belly. In a bowl, toss the pork belly cubes with smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Make sure every piece is evenly coated. This smoky seasoning is going to give these bites so much flavor. Step 3. Cooking the pork belly. Hot skillet with pork belly sizzling. Now, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. You don't need oil here. The pork belly will release its own fat. Add the cubes in a single layer and let them cook for about 3-4 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan, or they won't crisp up properly. Once they're done, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain the excess fat. Step 4. Making the glazed saucepan with the glaze ingredients simmering. While the pork belly rests, let's make that amazing glaze. In a small saucepan, combine maple syrup, bourbon, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and chili flakes. Bring it to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 2-3 minutes until it thickens slightly. Oh, and that smell! Absolutely heavenly. Step 5. Glazing the pork belly. Tossing pork belly in the glaze. Now, return the pork belly bites to the skillet and pour that gorgeous glaze over them. Toss everything together until each piece is perfectly coated. Let it cook for another minute or 2 so the glaze caramelizes and sticks to the pork. Look at that shine, it's like edible gold. Step 6. Plating and garnishing. Plating the dish. Time to plate these beauties. Transfer the glazed pork belly bites to a serving dish and sprinkle them with chopped green onions or sesame seeds for a fresh, finishing touch. You can also add a little extra drizzle of glaze if you're feeling fancy. Step 7. Taste test. Taking a bite, followed by a reaction shot, chewing and smiling. Okay, let's taste these. Oh my goodness, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and that glaze. Sweet, smoky, and just a little boozy from the bourbon. These are seriously addictive. You're going to love them. Closing scene. Finished dish with text overlay, recipe in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag us on Instagram. We'd love to see your creations. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that